The Bogs Urban Men's Walker Low Waterproof Rain Shoe is what this product review is about in AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. We're doing a lot of urban items with the urban backpack in New York City. The items are in that, and then so we covered hats and sunscreen for sunny weather, but there's also rainy weather. So these have been wonderful. Just easy to pull on with the tab. Bogs is the brand. Urban Walker, and they're low profile, which I like. They're not like a full rain boot, which can also be nice. But the one thing that these are very like rubbery and flexy. So the one thing I don't like is the inserts. And if you've seen my other videos on shoe inserts with the New Balance shoes, I do recommend the Superfeet. They have a wonderful arch support, and the heel cup is very solid and rigid, so it sort of combats the gummy flexiness of this shoe. I find that without them my feet get very tired, my arches hurt, and I can't walk as much. But with the Superfeet, it's like super feet. I can walk a lot and do more work, and my feet feel happy and healthy as long as they're dry. I like to carry an extra pair of socks in my Jansport backpack to change out if I need to, and in a bag so that the dry socks don't get wet. But because occasionally if your pant legs slip up, you may get a little bit of moisture in there, and if it's bucketing down and you're trying to work really hard, something to watch out for. So I'll put a link to these products in the description of this video below, and also to some slightly higher ones. These are the Urban Walker, great for walking. I do gardening in them regularly when it's raining. It doesn't rain regularly, but I definitely recommend these. Very nice, very wonderful, much appreciating. We'll talk about the rain suit in the next video of inclement weather, because you want to be prepared for anything. These can go in the large pocket of the Jansport, along with the collapsible hose, the rain suit, and the Bogs Low Urban Walker. Highly recommend. See you in the next video.